BOMATA is a rust-proof outdoor cooking, indoor cooking, place into your chicken, turkey, food, poultry, fish, whatever you have, directly into the food. As we take it out of the packaging, this is what the product looks like, a nice close-up shot. Made of metal, 2+ inch diameter. It's got a clip that you could snap it into the food and adjust down to the level you want by pinching and pinching up and locking into place. You pinch these two sides to move. If you want to reach a certain temperature, you have a dial over here to lock into place. And we're going to demonstrate cooking in a rotisserie or barbecue or a whole or half chicken and demonstrate what the product looks like. Please remember before cooking to remove the plastic tab. It is a sharp point that will penetrate into your food. Dishwasher safe, we're going to place a flame and just show you the heat come up. Give you a close-up look as the temperature starts to rise. And this way, when we're in the oven, we don't have to watch, and we'll show you what it looks like when presenting food. As we put the dial up to that particular temperature, it gives you an idea that you overwent the temperature. It does not stop the gauge. When taking out of the poultry, please hold it by, not the unit. Allow the unit to cool off when pulling out. In this cooking and demonstration, we are going to be setting our thermometer to 400 degrees by adjusting as we've shown and squeezing and placing in as it could clip on, as you see, to the chicken and pushing in with a close-up shot and clipping on to the plate. To the barbecue when it reaches the proper temperature for cooking. We're looking for 400 degrees and we're placing on, and we'll come back and check and monitor the food. On the barbecue, we do have a temperature reading, but we need to have an actual temperature reading of the food. We do have the barbecue at 400 degrees, and now we're going to simply lower down until it stays at that particular temperature. We're at the lowest we can go on the barbecue is like 460 degrees. As the temperature shows, 150 degrees. The chef is going to show you, lifting up, that we have the temperature of about, as we can see, not even near, it's 180 degrees of the chicken. Do not touch the thermometer. It is super hot. It is checking the temperature inside. We have a done chicken and done potatoes. So it's time to shut the barbecue off of all 4 burners and allow it to cool. And that is the thermometer. Throw it in the dishwasher, clean it up for the next time of cooking. We'll give you a close-up of the thermometer. If it's discolored, that is the norm of the barbecue cooking. With a pair of mitts, we're going to remove off the tin foil and put in the dishwasher. The Candy BOMATA probe temperature gauge. Poultry, fish, steak, pork, in a pasta water, in casseroles and more. Your temperature probe. Enjoy your product if this is something that you're looking for. Stainless steel, 2.5 inch diameter with a manual gauge to adjust for your chicken at 180 degrees. barbecuing on the grill, and leaving in all time. Put it in the dishwasher, clean it up for the next time use. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.